guys, and welcome back to my channel. Guys, I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm so excited. I want to show you guys a TikTok hack. My cousin saw this TikTok hack and then she shared it with me. And ever since I saw this TikTok hack, I will never ever do my edges the same way ever again. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay guys, today's video I'm gonna show you how to do the TikTok hack where you do your edges basically. So this is the second time that I'm trying the edges. I came from work, the edges is gone. So I just want to start fresh. So basically, let's say you're doing a sleek bun this week and you feel that you want some edges. So let's just brush them, gone. Let's just do that. There we go. So basically, let's just fix this here. Let's say you're doing a sleek bun and you want edges. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly how this TikTok hack is. My cousin saw the TikTok hack, so basically we don't have a video anymore, so I can't share the video with you guys. But I'm just gonna show you. So the first thing you do, I'm going to speak while I'm buzzing. Let's just say I'm doing a sleek bun now, because for this week I don't want the video to be that long. So we're going to keep it simple. Let's say you're doing a sleek bun. The basically the gel that you have, the gel also plays a big role, but this is the gel that I'm going to use. I'll show you guys properly. I think you can see it now. I'm using my ring light. That is the gel that I'm using. So first things first, let's say you're gonna use a scrunchie, you keep it on your arm. You're basically taking out pieces like this before you make the bun. Depending on how you feel, this is my whiskers that keeps on breaking off, so that is short already. So depending on how much edges you want, that is the amount of hair you're going to take out. If you feel like you want to look like a dragon today, you can take out a lot. If you feel you want it subtle, you can take out just these pieces that I'm taking out. I can't believe I've never in my entire life never saw this hack, and I'm only waking up now because I love edges. I feel that edges won't go out of fashion anytime soon. So back to the video. When you're done taking out your edges, then you first sleek down the hair right around, even at the back. Let's say you're sleeking it. Next, make the sleek bun. I'm not gonna apply gel, but you can apply gel on this area because you're making it sleek. Oh, that looks very funny. But the aim is to make this as sleek as possible. Then I'm using the styling gel, Supreme from, I think it's from Clicks, but I'm using the Ultimate Hold. It's on number 5 basically. So that's the highest for me. Then you take your old toothbrush. Then this is what I do. Some people apply gel on it like this with their hands first, but I apply my gel on the end of the toothbrush like that, and then I just add more and more and more. Then I do this. Let's start. I'm just gonna swoop that out of the way, and then let's do this section here. Apply a little gel, and then basically that's all you do. Keep your finger on there and then swoop it in there. So basically this is already sleek, and then it's so much easier this way. I can't believe I didn't do it this way. Then you just sleeking them. So this is also where the gel comes in. The gel also plays a big role. If you have money for expensive gel, then this will be as sleek as possible. But I only have money for this cheap gel. It's not really cheap. It's almost 100 rand just for this small bottle. But I mean, I'm going to invest in the Eco Gel. I'm going to put a picture on the screen. to show you guys, for those that don't know what I'm speaking about, that is the gel I really want to get me, but it's so expensive even for the small pot. Now I've never really put much effort in when it comes to my edges. It depends how I'm feeling, you see. But ever since I saw this hack, I will never go back to doing it the old way ever again. But this also takes time that I don't always have. You see, you just swoop the way you want it, and then you just put the rest of the hair in with your hair. You guys can't see because my hair is so dark, but I'm sure you know what I mean. Apply jellies. You do the same with the side. Ooh, my word! I cannot believe this. Basically, okay, let's add another little. Now my whiskers broke off. It keeps on breaking off because of heat damage. So now I'm by that point where I'm basically just brushing it like this. You can even make an edge of it. Some people does, but I feel my wedges. I feel that my whiskers is a bit too long now for that. Some people's is much shorter. Then it actually looks nicer if they do that swoop. See, mine is already in my ear, the length. Like I can basically go behind my ear, so it won't look nice. That's why I'd rather keep it straight. But I feel it's too much hair. But it must be a certain length, man. I don't want to do a swoop and then it doesn't look right. So basically, that is it. Then I will put depending on how much time I have, I will put a scarf around the edges. I will first add a little bit of my firm hold spray. I showed it in my last video that I bought it, the red bottle. I do this and then I spray it all on my edges. I make sure that the spray don't go on my skin or my forehead, because I don't want my forehead also now full of pimples. Then I put the scarf on, let's say for 10 minutes or so, do whatever else I need to do, and then I take the scarf off. Then my edges is black. I took it black. Like basically the aim of the video is just to show you guys, for those that don't know, that's also only waking up now, like I'm only waking up, I can't believe this. So you basically first take out the pieces that you want the edges to be, and then you sleek down there, you do the style whatever you need to do, and then you swoop the hair in, because then this is already sleek, so it makes the job so much easier. Oh my word. So my edges is not the best in the world right now, because I feel that my gel is also not, it's just not giving me that vibes, you know. But it's something, I guess. Some days my edges looks on fleek, and then some days it just look But guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I told myself I don't want to make another 10+ minute video, but I see it's going anyway that way. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys try the style for those that still wear edges. It's so much easier, it's so much better, oh my word. But stay tuned for my next videos, and follow me on all my social media platforms, Instagram, TikTok, where I post on a regular basis, Twitter, Facebook on my page Little Rubies, and don't forget to subscribe. And also thank you to 300+ subscribers. I'm growing. Thank you very much for the support, and until next time.